Hey guys, Vincent Martone here again at MarineMax in Clearwater, and today I'm standing on the all-new 2021 Aviara 32 outboard. As you can see, the 32, this one is equipped with twin 300 Mercuries, outfitted with tan sea deck and tan cool feel vinyl. Those of you that are not familiar with this particular boat, I'm going to go through some of the key features that set this apart from all the other day boats on the market today. First and foremost is the seating configuration back here on the transom. We have stadium seating for 6. This can be quite useful out at the sandbar, or if you were out on 4th of July weekend, this would have been a great place to sit and enjoy the fireworks from the back of your boat. Keep it in line with the luxury theme. We have dedicated storage here for 4 fenders. Nice transom door to keep all of your passengers and maybe even those pets that we all love so much to bring on the boat. Keep them inside. Join me in the cockpit. If you take a look right here, we have our cockpit wet bar with 3 dedicated slots for wine or champagne. Nice, useful pull-out storage drawer, cockpit refrigerator. To port, you'll notice a base plate for our all-teak table. And if you notice this little grill right here, this is one of 2 subwoofers on the boat. 3,000 watts of Klipsch stereo, super clear. You'll be the loudest boat on the water, I can guarantee that, and that's stock. Follow me up here to the helm. So right here, here's a feature that a lot of boats these days have, but quite honestly, Aviara is just like everything else, they're beating them. So we have a full spectrum color LED changing panel here. You can change your accent lights, your courtesy lights, your hardtop lights, and your underwater lights. You can put them in any color you want. So right now we have it on an aqua. Go ahead and take a quick look. Let's say you like maybe a purple, or hey, maybe you just want to be red. Right? You go yellow, you go all the way back here to green. Whatever mood you're in, you can set it. But we'll leave it on here on the aqua for the rest of the video. All right, so moving forward, you notice we have the very spacious head. Take a look down inside there. I'm not all that tall. I'm about 5'6". My wife likes to call it fun size. But I tell you, you can get in there and actually do your business, or you could change. You can pretty much do it. There's lots of storage in there. There's a sink too. Come up to the bow with it. So what's special about this, aside from the windlass anchor, which you gotta have, we have 4 rod holder stations. This comes with a bow sunshade. All the way from the back of the hardtop, all the way out here is a beautiful bow sunshade. Okay? This one is also equipped with a, one that we really haven't seen before, but an option for a bow filler cushion. Right? That bow filler cushion can be stowed away if you don't want to have it, or you can also lay out here. We have a bow remote for your stereo right there with USB plug-in. And if you can, come up this way and take a look back at the hardtop. Take a good look at that hardtop. Super strong. Everything's very structural, right? Lots of head clearance here. Again, I'm probably a little shorter than the average guy. We all know that. But look, a lot of your 6 foot, 6'5", they're going to be able to fit up underneath this hardtop without any issues. And with this extended sure shade, this will be the last one I show you guys. Come on. Take a look right over here as I send out the make fast shade. So it's super quiet, it's one touch. Boom. That, in combination with the bow sunshade, you can spend the entire day out on this water and either enjoy some sun or stay out of the sun, whatever you like. Again, guys, this has been the 2021 Aviara 32. Of course, I'm Vincent Martone here at MarineMax Clearwater. You can give me a call at any time. That's 803-760-0609. You can call us here at the showroom, 536-BOAT. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click that like and subscribe. Maybe even smash that bell button. Hope to see you here in the showroom.